in the wonderful life of the trucking. You know what I mean? We wake up this morning to, hey, that's why I say, good to pre-trip, you know what I mean? Because you'll always catch these mishaps before anything gets worse down the road. This guy here, flat. Yeah man, flat. So now we gotta repair him before we step out and go down to Arizona. You know, gotta get him repaired. But this is the beauty of pre-tripping your truck, so you can catch things before you prolong it and make disasters happen. You know what I mean? Yeah, we just gotta get that repaired. You don't know. Right now, we're gonna chef up a little thing. Y'all know the dilemma I had this morning. Woke up in Troy, Ohio with a flat tire. So I had to go to the right side tire was flat, empty. So yeah, that's my first expense for this trip. We got an 1,800-mile trip, and now we caught a flat. So you know, of course, we gotta pay for a tire. So you gotta deduct what we getting paid for the load minus the tire. So yeah, we got with flat, we fixed with tire. So that was our first dilemma so far with the truck. You know what I mean? We had to replace a tire, we had to put a brand new tire because what I picked up was a bolt on the side wall of the tire. So it couldn't be repaired, they saying, so I had to get a brand new tire. So we got the brand new tire, and now I'm over here in Rolla, Missouri, shut down for the night. And I'm about to have myself a meal, and I'm gonna show you how easy meals can be when you're eating good, because like I try to tell you, when you're eating clean, the less you need to eat, meaning that you don't need a whole lot of food to sustain you. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat right now. People might say bell pepper, but you can eat this by itself and it fills you. But I'm gonna cut a little half because, you know, I'm gonna cut it up. So I'm gonna have about a piece of bell pepper. I have some onions that I'm gonna dice up. I mean, meals are supposed to be simple, not difficult. But through the generations, humans and mankind makes preparing meals look difficult because, of course, they gotta process it, they gotta cook it, they gotta do this ingredient, they gotta do that ingredient. It's too much. You're a living being, so you require living food to sustain the life in you right now. Then I got some jalapeno pepper. Cut that up for a little bit. Simple meals in the truck. This is all you need. Never complicate your life that you have. And then I just dice up these jalapeno pepper. I mean, we talk about some spice here, real spice. Dice up a little bit of this onion, and then dice up this bell pepper now. But the cleaner you eat, the less you're gonna feel that hunger, like how you eat when you eat cooked food and all those processed food. You feel like you're starving, you feel like you need something this second, you feel like you ain't gonna make it unless you get something to eat. But when you're eating clean food, I'm telling you, you don't need a whole lot. And then some garlic. telling you, this is what you need to do when you're on this road here. The cleaner you eat, the better you eat, the healthier you feel. And this is facts, man. You ain't gonna hear certain noises in your stomach no more, popping noises, like you're farting in your stomach. You ain't gonna hear those noises no more. You're gonna have less pains in your joint, less pains in your muscles, less pain all over. You could bend down, you could sit up, you could, I mean, come on, man. You're putting back the youth in you again. Remember when you was like 16, 17? When you start eating like this, that's how you're gonna start feeling again. You're gonna bring back the youthful energy vibration you had when you was a teenager. And I mean, I'm telling you, it's never too late. Wherever you at in life, you can start your clock over again. Because you gotta think about it. Wisdom, again. We are life givers. We're brought into this world to sustain life. Nothing more, nothing less. You're a life giver. You're supposed to sustain the life within yourself and the life around others. See, now this was a juicy tomato that I got the other day. I like my tomatoes, you know. You slice that up thinly. Now, for the best fat avocado. Can't go wrong with some avocado. Voila! And then we got some spring mix. These leafy greens is good. This is a baby lettuce blend, baby greens blend, endive and radisson. Very good stuff here. And you just sprinkle it on top of it. Life. This is life we're dealing with. Your life. So you gotta deal with life. You can't be dealing with what's dead. Then, if you want, you could put a few walnuts. Remember, seeds and nut are the meat of the earth. You just put a little walnut on there. And boom. The perfect balanced, sufficient meal for a truck driver. When you eat this, you don't want nothing more for the day. You feel? Because when you eat this good, it requires less for you to be filled. Yes, so 2020 we started off with our first expense. I thought those tires I was gonna at least get a year. I was like, man, if I could get a year out of these tires, that'd be good. So I had to replace one tire so far now. And this is some sweet onion, so it's just the right blend, you know. And getting that little spice of that jalapeno pepper. The right punch, you know. And like always, thanks for joining the king, man. Having supper with the king. But just remember, small steps bring you to bigger steps. Just take your time and get yourself used to it, you know? Give it a week. You do this, the food is gonna taste right after that. Like, you're gonna be like, wow, I didn't know it was this sweet. I didn't know it was so nice. Man, a lot of y'all think this is bland or this is, man. I'm trying to tell you, the more I learn in this life, like the more I see what is right is the best for you. Eating what's alive is the best for you. Food that is dead is no good for you. Food for the gods, you know? But like I said, my great and mighty people, it's always a pleasure rocking with y'all. Safety first. Pre-trip your truck. Pre-trip that truck. Because hadn't I done that this morning, you know what would happen? That wheel would have fly off of the rim. Probably cause an accident. Probably DOT would have pulled me over. Give me a ticket. But because I pre-tripped my truck, I was able to see that flat tire, get straight to the truck stop, and get that truck repaired. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of this. I don't want to keep it too long because we're a young channel. We don't want to flood it